Oppo A18, 128ths of a gigabyte, lands in Pakistan. Affordable Maestro with Helio G85 and 5000 mAh cell. Oppo has unwrapped its latest offering for the Pakistani market. The Oppo A18, 128ths model, equipped with a robust 5000 mAh battery. Positioned comfortably in the budget category, it sparks conversations due to its noteworthy specifications, drawing parallels with some of the company's higher-tier devices. Under the hood, Oppo A18 has employed the reliable MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, coupled with 4GB of RAM and an intriguing 4GB virtual memory feature. Storage stands at a generous 128GB, with the flexibility to expand via micro SD card. Featuring a standard 6.56-inch waterdrop notch display, the A18 delivers an HD plus visual experience with a peak brightness of 720 nits and a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate. While the screen impresses, a slightly thick chin adds a touch of retro aesthetics to the front. The rear side, however, embraces a modern feel, housing a pill-shaped camera island, with the power button doubling as a fingerprint sensor for added utility. In the photography department, the Oppo A18 keeps it simple with a dual rear camera setup, an 8 megapixels primary and a 2 megapixels depth lens. A 5 megapixels sensor resides under the notch of the latest 4G Oppo Mobile. On the software front, the Oppo A18 runs Color OS 13.1 layered atop the Android 13 OS, providing a seamless user experience. Connectivity needs are met with a USB-C port, a 3.5mm jack, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS. For security, it employs a side-mounted fingerprint reader. The Oppo A18 is now available in all local retail stores priced at 36,000 rupees, offering a choice between glowing black and glowing blue editions. Combining budget-friendly pricing with impressive features, the Oppo A18 will surely be a hit as an entry-level smartphone.